Do you want to know how you can log into your Krisp.ai account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Krisp.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Krisp.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you directly to the official login portal of Krisp.ai. You can sign in using your Google, Microsoft, or your email address. Or if you want to sign in using your social security number, go ahead and click sign in with SSO. So, first of all, if you want to sign in using your email, go ahead and write down your email over here, click sign in, and a mail will be sent to your email. You can verify it and you can log into your Krisp account using your email address. Or if you want to just log in using your Google account, go ahead and click sign in with Google. It will take you to this page, choose your Gmail account, press continue to sign in to Krisp.ai, and in a while you can notice that you will be logged in using your Google account. So it's quite simple guys, all you need to do is open Krisp.ai, or you can search it and you can see this login page. Now you can select either Google, Microsoft or your email, click sign in, and then you can sign into your Krisp.ai account easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.